In the previous video, we have done create the most simple computer network in Cisco packet tracer, which is connecting two computers. Here we have PC0 and PC1, and this two PC is connected using UTP cable. The IP address of PC0 is 192.168.1.1, and the IP address of PC1 is 192.168.1.2. Now, in this video, we are going to learn more detail about IP address. If you forget about IP address, I already say in the previous video that IP address is the name of computer in the computer network. Computer will use IP address to communicate with other computers. IP address is consists of 4 parts of number. Let's say x, point x, point x, point x. And each part of IP address is number between 0 and 255. So, there is impossible to have minus number in IP address, and it is also impossible to have number more than 255 in IP address. Okay, so remember that the number in IP address always between 0 and 255. The example of IP address is that we used in the previous video, which is 192.168.1.1. So actually, the number is not always 192. You can use any number between 0 and 255. And then, in the IP address, we also have a slash like this. Here I have /24. Slash in IP address like this is called prefix. So the prefix for this IP address is /24. So, what is the function of prefix? Prefix is used to tell us how many IP address that we can use. In this case, the total IP address that we can use for prefix /24 is 256. If you don't know how to get 256 yet, don't worry. We will learn more about this in the next video. The only thing that you need to know for now is that prefix is used to tell us how many IP address that we can use. And in this case, we can have 256 IP address in prefix /24. So, we can have 256 computer in our computer network. Next, we will also learn about subnetting. So, what is subnetting? Subnetting is used to determine the best prefix we can use in the computer network. Let's say we have an office with 6 computers, and we want to build computer network between these 6 PC. The question is, which prefix the best we can use? If we use prefix /24, we know that the total IP is 256. Absolutely, this is not suitable for our case, because we just need 6 IP. If we use prefix /24, we will have 250 IP that not used. So, which prefix is best for 6 IP or 6 computer? The answer is /29. Why? Because in prefix /29, the total IP is 8. This is enough for 6 IP or 6 computer. If you have a questions, where we get 8 from prefix /29? Once again, you don't need to worry about that yet. We will learn more about that in the next video. Okay? So, now I hope you understand what is IP address, what is prefix, and what is subnetting. In the next video, we are going to start learning about subnettings. Thank you for watching and see you at the next video.